Hello, friends. After so many days, it was great catching all of you. First of all, it's very important announcement is that world is facing big disease right now. It is the biggest disastrous disease. To be honest, it's a COVID-19 pandemic, which India and whole world is suffering to get the people to ensure their safety. So it's an humble request to please wear masks, sanitize your hands, and don't go out, especially don't go on gather in groups. Please, it's your responsibility to suggest people who are not wearing mask and tell them to be inside the home and step out only if necessary. And please do the necessary if you can for the needy in emergency of this COVID-19. Firstly, starting upon today, I would like to do the analysis for the Sunrisers Hyderabad. It has been a very bad opening for them in the season. You are playing 6 games, you have lost 5, you have won only 1 game, and one against Delhi should have been your game. You could not win that. If not, you got 2 points if that was not a short run. And starting now seeing David Warner's statements, he took the entire responsibility for batting slowly yesterday and issues with his strike rate, and he mentioned that there could have been 20 runs more. The score was 171 for only 3 wickets. Credit to Manish Pandey, David Warner, Kane Williamson, Kedar Jadhav. Kane Williamson is a master. So a lot of concerns on David Warner and comments on David Warner that he's not okay, he should not be the captain, Williamson should be the captain and all. Something is really bad in management this year. Because when last game versus Delhi Super Over, Johnny Bairstow was not your striker. It was very surprising to one and all, even me. You could have gone with Johnny Bairstow and Williamson or Suchita and Williamson. Warner was not the batsman to go at that point. But again, after that game, Warner mentions that when he was asked about the selection of Manish Pandey, he mentioned that Manish Pandey was not, it was not his part to have Manish Pandey. Like he is not the final selector to have opinions on his omission or selection. It was shocking because as the captain, you are the final leader to get a team and you are struggling. And today after the Chennai Super Kings game at New Delhi, the head coach Traveller Bales has mentioned that he was also not happy having Manish Pandey outside. There is a lot of miscommunication and misunderstandings in the group likely. Coming, if you lose Natarajan and Bhuvneshwar, unfortunate that we are lacking in bowling. Both are injured. Nattu is out of the tournament. It's really bad news for the cricket fans, Indian cricket fans especially. A great guy from a small town aspiring, and what he has done for SRH last year earned him the cap for Team India. It was exceptional talent. But really this year Sunrisers trying all the things they can, but they are not finding anything. They have tried Virat Singh, they have tried Kedar Jadhav, Vijay Shankar, Abhishek Sharma. It's not working. Something is lacking. Yesterday's game, actually Warner should have bowled first, and it was a second batting pitch, but he was scared and he was fearful and aware that the team is not going to chase well. This kind of things creates a lot of mental pressure for the team. It's not good because you are the one who are telling your weakness to the team, like Warner, Bairstow, Williamson, Manish Pandey out. The team game over. Captain run out, game over. Every game Sunrisers has lost, Warner has been run out. This is really shocking. Being a Sunrisers fan, who to blame yesterday? Manish Pandey played a great knock. He has also improved his strike rate. he has actually satisfied this tag as a number 3 batsman, having a strike rate 150 to 180 plus even. Williamson was exceptional. Warner was not playing so aggressively and freely because we lost the wicket of Johnny Bairstow. He was so overconscious that he could not play. Kedar Jadhav was good, but we didn't have any bowling options except Rashid Khan. But you need to give credit to Ruturaj and Faf. That's fine. But what is happening with the management is really shocking for Sunrisers fans. You are making so many changes. Abdul Samad, you have played youngsters. If you take Virat Singh, you played Virat Singh. Really has to push it something to make it. Abhishek Sharma, you're playing. You're making a lot of changes. Season, it's nothing working out. And all the experts who believe that we are 5 times consecutive playoff qualifiers, that Sunrisers is the best team after Chennai, Super Kings and Mumbai. But it's really shocking the way we are playing cricket. So many close games and you're not over that line. Your execution is wrong. That's what is the problem. You're not missing the problem. You're not missing your correct tactics. You're not using your batsmen. You're not using a middle order. Why the batting changes have been done so much? Great credit to Jagdish Asuchit, youngster again. He has played for 6 teams, IPL teams. 6 sides, but he could not get an opportunity. But Sunrisers provided him the opportunity against Delhi, and he proved himself why he was called inside the team. But now Warner is blamed himself yesterday, and he is put also a post in his telling that it's really painful to lose. Never seen this side of Warner. Admit that we are in a bad phase, but it's not a bad team. But we need services of Bhuvi and Nattu. So since they are injured, keeping them aside, Vijay Shankar, Kedar Jadhav has to, and Abhishek Sharma, any other all-rounder uncapped, have to prove their value. Vijay Shankar and Kedar Jadhav really have to prove their value. I don't know why Kedar Jadhav is not given the ball and tasked to bowl. When you're buying an all-rounder for 2 crores, you are buying an all-rounder, not a batsman. This tactic team is not getting right. And even yesterday, during Rashid Khan bowling, David Warner didn't put a slip. That is really bad captaincy. We are all missing the clutch moments of the game. Really disappointing. Now Siddharth Kaul, Basil Thampi and Sandeep Sharma and another uncapped bowler may be picked for T. Natarajan. It's our responsibility to at least win this Delhi leg, because if it's not done, so I don't think so Sunrisers will make it to playoff this season. It's very difficult to make it, but there is a chance always, as I say, because there are 5 times consecutive champion. Some team combinations are not working for you, like you played Vardhaman Saha and Johnny Bairstow in the same 11. Keeping the fact that we are playing a bowler less to strengthen your batting. The idea was not wrong, but we lost a bowler there. Saha was below par. He could have performed better. So there are a couple of issues, and yesterday Warner mentioned that fielders are also frustrated. This show tells the team opposite side that you're not mentally fit and strong enough so that you're confident to finish off big scores. So it is very tough, but having hope. Sunrisers is a great team and they will come back very strong. They need the services of Jason Roy if possible for Johnny Bairstow. Having the fact that Kane Williamson is exceptional, sensational, no doubt in it. Rashid Khan also has been brilliant. Some wings are not working for them. They are losing just minute things on the game and the game over. So it's very important to just reassemble and just review what they are going bad. Just do the things and get into the right track, because it's very important to them getting into the rhythm. So this is what I wanted to tell for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Thank you very much, and Please do share and subscribe to my channel, and all this money would be given to the COVID heart will be supporting your our country for the COVID fight, as this is a fundraiser for it. Hope you all enjoyed, had a great time, and please wear a mask. Don't go outside if it's not necessary, and also insist others and educate others about this problem. We need to fight it together, and we will win this. Thank you very much. Take the precautions. Stay safe. Stay home. Be happy. Thank you.